Welcome to my channel. I tried this challenge of making a digital painting using only one type of brush. I used the streaky brush in this digital painting. This is one of my favorite brushes from Autodesk Sketchbook. Now let's see if I can make an awesome digital painting using only one brush. Just enjoy the time-lapse video. First, I decrease the size of the brush in order for me to make a sketch of my subject. In this part I just make a rough sketch plan to have an overview of my subject, to know the location of shadows and other parts. This stage can make my digital painting more precise and save me more time because if you've already have a plan, you can avoid continuous mistakes. Second step is to color up your entire sketch. You can choose the magic wand tool from the selection tool. Choose the background. Then hit the Ctrl, Shift and letter I to invert your selection. This process can speed up your coloring process. In this part, I started from the darkest area of my subject. I start from shadows or darkest hues of my reference. If you are new in my channel, please support my art by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell, in order for you to become updated in my upcoming videos. Now, enjoy the remaining parts of the time-lapse video. Remember to take more time and perseverance in adding details on your digital painting. Just keep on practicing. Life is an art, and we are the artist.